Hey, beautiful people, you're welcome back to another video. Today, I want to talk to you about this country that people are secretly moving to and you don't know about it. So, I want to open your eyes to this country. It's one country you need to move to. So, it's a very good alternative to the UK, to Canada. You know, those countries are really choked right now. So, you may need a very good alternative. This is an English speaking country. Settling in this country is faster and easier than settling in the UK. You can get your permanent residency here in 2 years, and you can get your citizenship here in 5 years. So if you're looking for a country where you can go settle, stay long-term, work, be at peace, this is that country for you. So please watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how you can move to this country for work. I'll show you employer so you can send your CV immediately. All occupations. Please do watch to the end because there are different segments that I'll need to show you so you don't miss out on any of it. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Here I share information to open your eyes to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So please do subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you will know every time I share a new video. And if you would like me to personally help you move abroad, please send me an email because that is what I do. I help friends and family move abroad. So send me an email. Let's talk about it. We can also talk over a call. I also have links in the description box below you can use to book a call with me or to send me an email. Also, please join my Telegram channel. Follow me on Instagram because I share a lot of information on those other platforms that don't make it to YouTube. Once again, you're welcome to the channel. Let me know in the comments if this is your first time. I always have something special for first timers. So just comment below, it is my first time, and I welcome you especially to the channel. Returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. If you want to make $1,000 every month, I have the perfect side hustle for you. This is something you can do from the comfort of your home. You don't need to quit your job to do it, and it is passive income. So you're going to be getting paid while you sleep, get paid while you're on vacation. You don't need to actively work on it to get paid. Let me explain how it works. You can become a publisher on Amazon KDP, and this is something that I myself have done. All right, so I get paid every month from Amazon for doing nothing. I started over 5 years ago, so you can do it exactly the way I did it, to be getting paid every month without doing anything. It's a publishing business, but you don't need to be a writer to do it because you're not writing any books. Stackly has put together manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. These books are in demand right now across the world. So all you need to do is buy these manuscripts from Stackly, publish it on Amazon KDP, and get paid every month. Stackly has also put together a free training course you're going to be getting when you buy your pack of manuscripts. So you actually do not need to know anything about this before you start. I too knew nothing about it. I got trained by Stackly. I started this business while I was living in Nigeria because I wanted to move abroad. So I started to save money to move abroad, so you can do the same as well. And even now that I'm living abroad, it really helps me with my living expenses. Imagine making $1,000 from nowhere, from literally nowhere, because I don't do anything anymore. And that is the beauty of the business. After you have initially published your books on Amazon KDP, you don't need to do anything anymore. Amazon pays you at the end of every month. So do buy a pack of manuscripts from Stackly. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There is a pack of 30 manuscripts, a pack of 60 manuscripts, a pack of 150 manuscripts, and a pack of 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I do recommend the 300 pack because that is what I did, and that is where you can make the most money. So when I say $1,000 a month, it is not fixed. It can be $20,000, $13,000, $9,000. It can be anything. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts, please send me an email so I can add you to my own private personal KDP group that has KDP publishers from all around the world. So buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, get the free training, publish your books on Amazon KDP, and sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below. So let's get into it. This country is the Republic of Ireland. It's the only English-speaking country in the EU, and this is a very good country to move to. It's just beside the UK. If you want to be in that region, you don't want to go too far, because I hear people say, I don't want to go too far, the UK is close to home, then Ireland is also very close to home, so you can move there as well. And they are currently hiring foreign workers. There's a lot of labor shortage in the country. They have an aging population, and so they are looking for ways to bring in young talents to the country. So they have come up with this special work permit to attract highly skilled workers, promising them permanent residency in only 2 years. So let us talk about that. I'm also going to show you jobs that you can apply to. I'm going to show you their own version of their shortage occupation list, which is for this special work permit that I mentioned. They have specific occupations they are looking for that specific work permit. So we're going to be talking about all that as well. So let me show you jobs you can apply to immediately. So after showing you these job boards, then I will show you some other things. So please stick with me, all right? One other thing I should let you know is that when it has to do with moving to Ireland, I have an ebook that contains everything, step-by-step process on how to move to Ireland as a foreign worker, all occupations, how to move as a care worker, as an electrician, engineer, IT professional, all occupations are in the ebook, all work permits are in the ebook, okay? And all the employers, over 5,000 employers are in that ebook that you can contact. Immediately send your CV, get a job, apply for your visa. I also have information about how to apply for visa in the ebook, and I also have information that will help you after you've landed Ireland as well. This ebook is going to give you all those details about what to do when you arrive Ireland. So it is a 360 step-by-step guide on how to move to Ireland. Once you get this ebook, you can take yourself to Ireland by yourself. Everything is in there. Okay, let me not say by yourself, because it's like me holding your hand through the entire process. So the link to get your ebook is in the description box below, or you can send me an email, all right, and I'll share the link with you. So get the ebook. I also have in that ebook free CV templates, free CV samples you can just edit and apply for jobs. Okay, there are CVs in different occupations as well. You can just edit. If you're a care worker, there's a CV for a care worker, just edit it, apply for jobs, that sort of thing. So the ebook is very, very important. Everything I'm going to be saying in this video is in the ebook and more. So do get the ebook, all right? There are many ways to move to Ireland and different occupations. Okay, so let's just start with this one. So this job is on Indeed. ie.indeed.com. It's one of the top job boards in Ireland where you can get a visa sponsorship job. And this one here is a visa sponsorship job. This is the full description of this job. And you can see here, work visa sponsorship available. Work visa sponsorship available, yeah? So you can see that there are jobs available to you that have visa sponsorship, and this is one of them. These are your responsibilities on the job. You don't need to read it because obviously this is not the only one job you're going to be applying for. I'm just showing you this, okay? And obviously there are people watching from different occupations. So this is just an example. I'm going to show you how exactly you can get these employers yourself. They've said it again, work visa sponsorship is available. So please send your CV to hr@everdish.com, yeah? And the subject of your email should be application for marketing manager. So if you are a marketing manager, you have the experience already, you've been doing that, then please send your CV to hr@everdish.com. Subject, application for marketing manager. Send a very good CV. Make your CV to be Europass format, and also have your cover letter. Let your cover letter be the body of the email, since this is an email application. All right, don't attach cover letter, attach CV. No, only attach CV, and then cover letter, copy and paste as the body of the email. All right, so let me show you another one. This is also a marketing role, yeah, and it's in another organization. This is a junior marketing executive in Dublin. This is about the company, yeah? And then your responsibilities are here, the key skills and competencies they're looking for, terms and conditions. And you see visa sponsorship here. Visa sponsorship, they've said, available for eligible candidates, yeah? Can you see that? Visa sponsorship is available for eligible candidates. The salary here is 34,000 euros per month. Oh, per annum rather. That is per annum. It is 17.43 per hour. Okay. This is a permanent role. So now I have showed you these two jobs, and you can see that visa sponsorship jobs are available in Ireland. This is just one job board I'm showing you. I'm going to show you several other job boards on this in this video, right? So please do watch to the end. But let us talk about the special work permits I mentioned earlier that can give you a very fast route to permanent residency. It is called the Critical Skills Employment Permit, yeah? And the government came up with this permit just for the purpose of attracting skilled workers to the country. You know, it's now a competition. Everybody wants to get the brightest minds into their country. So every country is coming up with special visas, special pathways to bring in talented young people, you know, that can keep the economy going, because many of these countries have a very high aging population. I travel a lot, and when I go to these countries, I see it for myself. You see so many old people, and you're like, where are all the young people? You can't see them. That is why you're seeing countries really hiring foreign workers. It's not like they're trying to do you a favor. They just know that in next 20 years, 30 years, there may be nobody working. Okay, so that is the reason. So this critical employment work permit has specific occupations which they call critical skills. Okay, they call it the critical skills occupation list. So the occupations on that critical skills list are the ones that are eligible to apply for the critical skills employment permit. So one difference between the general work permit and this work permit is that you don't need visa sponsorship. So you see these jobs I showed you that actually said visa sponsorship available. You don't need that when you're applying for jobs. You can apply to any job whatsoever, and they don't need to sponsor you. Okay, that sponsorship is out of the table. So any job you see online that is in your occupation, you can apply. So put it in your CV that you're applying for the critical skills work permit, so that the employers would know you don't need sponsorship. And you also bring up that you don't need sponsorship during your communication with them during the interview, so they will be more open to hiring you, because many employers, yes, there's labor shortage, but most times they're still not so enthusiastic about hiring from overseas, because it's a lot of paperwork. They have to go through a lot of steps, you know, have a labor market test, advertise here and there for 28 days. There are so many laws, right, before they can hire from overseas. So many of these employers, they would rather not. Okay, so once you tell them that you don't need it, because on this critical skills employment permit, the employer does not need to do that labor market test. So it's very easy for them to hire overseas. So always include that to your CV, and also let them know during in emails during the interview that that is the particular permit you want to apply for. Okay. Okay, so let me show you the critical occupations, the critical skills occupation list. Let us look at that. So this is it, critical skills occupation list. Yeah. So if your occupation is here, you don't need sponsorship. That is the fun part about this work permit. So we have here production managers and directors, ICT professionals, health and social services managers and directors. I don't need to read all of this. This is the list. Yeah. So you can just get to see it. All of this is in the ebook. I wish you can just pick up that ebook and you would just be good. Yeah. Also in the ebook is this list of employers. Okay, so I have the names of all the companies that can sponsor your visa. Okay, this year these companies are actively currently hiring foreign workers. Okay, so I'm not giving you companies that probably hired 10 years ago and that's it. These are current companies employing. They are over 5,000. Let's see the end of the list. Yeah, let's just go to the end. Let me show you the number of companies I have on this list. This is a very long list, so there is no chance you will pick up this ebook and you will not land a job. It's for all occupations. See all the scrolling I'm doing just to get to the end. Let us see how many exactly, so you can know that this ebook is loaded. So you can see it here, 5,473 companies, all right, are on this list. 5,473. So you can see there is no chance you will sit down with this ebook and you don't land a job in Ireland, okay? This ebook, like the reviews I got on the ebook, someone said it's so easy to use, like, you know, it's for everyone. So whether you're educated, you're not educated, you're highly skilled, you're not highly skilled, wherever you are, this ebook, I really simplified everything so anyone can use it for all occupations. All right. If you want to move abroad as a care worker, the ebook will tell you the way to do it, the qualification you need, and all of that, and also where to get a job. all occupations, all right? Okay, let me show you one more job board where you can get a job to move to Ireland. This one is Irish Jobs, yeah, irishjobs.ie. So they have so many jobs in all occupations. You can see them here, different sectors: accountancy, customer service, hospitality, media, medical, production. It is so many different kinds of jobs: graduate jobs, beauty, engineering, education. So many jobs here. irishjobs.ie. So you can also come here and look for a job as well, okay? And one thing you should really note about applying for jobs is that it begins with your CV. If you don't have the right CV, just a few days ago, I had a one-on-one consultation with someone and she told me she has been applying for jobs and she's not getting a job. Jackie, give me a job, you know. I do one-on-one consultation, so if you're interested, you can book a call with me. The links are in the description or send me an email, right? So while she was speaking, and she was so like, you know how someone is just drained, just said, Jackie, give me a job, I've been applying. When I told her that, could it be your CV or something? Send me. So she said, no, that is not her CV. Her CV is okay, that she has paid someone to do her CV for her. I'm sure she's watching this video. If you're watching, please drop a comment. She said she has paid someone to do the CV for her. I said, okay, let me see the CV anyway. So she sent it to me. And it was not a CV. It was just a list of, like, they just listed everything down. It wasn't by no chance a CV. So if you apply for 1 million jobs with that document she had, she would never land a job. Be you as professional, have all the skills, all the education in the world. If your CV is not good, I have been a recruiter. I've done recruitment, like I've been a recruiter for so many years. So I know how recruiters work. Once your CV is not it, they trash it immediately, okay? So having been a recruiter myself and a professional CV writer myself, I know how it's done. So in that ebook, I have CV templates for you. If you don't want the ebook, I can also do a CV for you separately. Like if you want me to put together your CV, just send me an email. We're going to talk about that as well. But I just said all this to say that it begins with your CV. No matter how qualified you are, if your CV is not correct, you will not get the job. So put together a very good CV first and then apply to these jobs in Ireland. And I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop feedback in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet so you can see the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, all links are in the description box below. Let us see you in the next video.